Welcome back to Croswick's Toy Garage. Today we feature the number 36 Hot Bird from the 1980 to 1999 main line. The Hot Bird debuted back in 1978 and is still in production today. It has had designs from Larry Wood and Bob Rosas. The 1978 version was in the Flying Colors series and was black. In 1979, it was painted gold and was put in the Golden Machine 6-pack. Then after that, it was brown for a short period of time back in the mainline series again, and then it was painted blue. In 1982, it again was black in the Hot Ones series. These original cars were made in either Hong Kong, Malaysia, or China. In 2006, the casting was completely redone and was either made in Malaysia or Thailand. The new casting only has slight changes, such as dimension sizes. The taillights were redone. The shaker hood scoop was redone. These cars, the Hot Bird, has always been a completely die-cast car, meaning the base was always die-cast and the body was always die-cast. Never plastic. This car is a 1989 example in Metal Flake Blue. It has red, yellow, and white side and top tampos and ultra hot wheels, front and back. Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe.